In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Buy It Now price on eBay listing. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your eBay dashboard and how to change a draft listing to the Buy It Now format so shoppers can purchase your item instantly at a fixed price. Start by heading to eBay's homepage and clicking Sell at the top of the site. This takes you into eBay's selling area where you can access your current listings and any drafts you've started but haven't published yet. Next, open your drafts. If you land on a page showing active listings, switch to the drafts view to see items you've saved and plan to finish later. Drafts are perfect for making edits like changing the selling format without affecting anything that's live. Find the item you want to update and click Resume Draft. This opens the full listing editor. Give yourself a moment to confirm you're in the right listing by checking the title and photos so you don't accidentally modify the wrong item. Now scroll to the pricing section. This is where eBay lets you control how buyers will purchase your item and at what price. It's the hub for format selection and any price-related settings. Look for the current format button or label. This might display something like auction or fixed price depending on how you set it up initially, and click it to bring up the available options. Think of this as telling eBay how you want shoppers to interact with your listing. Choose Buy It Now. Selecting Buy It Now switches your listing to a fixed price format, meaning a buyer can check out immediately without waiting for an auction to end. After selecting it, you'll see fields related to your Buy It Now price. This is a good time to confirm your currency and double check that your price reflects your item's condition, shipping considerations, and the going market rate. If you're unsure, a quick look at similar sold items on eBay can help you set a competitive number. Also, keep in mind that eBay fees and promotions can vary by category, so a clear, margin-friendly price is important. That's all you need to enable the Buy It Now price on your draft. From here, continue reviewing the rest of your listing details as needed, photos, item specifics, and shipping, so everything aligns with your new fixed price approach. When you're satisfied, your draft template will carry the Buy It Now format and be ready for publishing whenever you are. Thanks for watching, and great job taking control of your pricing format. This simple change can help buyers purchase faster and can lead to a smoother selling experience.